2026 Volkswagen T-Roc Life Review. Hook. What if Volkswagen took its popular T-Roc, made it larger, more premium, more efficient, and packed it with hybrid technology? That is exactly what the new 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc Life brings to the table. But is this stylish compact SUV really worth considering for American buyers? Let's take a closer look. Introduction. Welcome back to Smart Car Picks. Today, we're checking out the new generation Volkswagen T-Roc Life for 2026. The latest T-Roc is built on Volkswagen's newer MQB Evo platform and gets a major redesign. It is longer, roomier, more technologically advanced, and now uses electrified powertrains across its European lineup. Volkswagen Newsroom. One important point for US viewers: the T-Roc is primarily European market model, so American availability and specifications may differ. With that in mind, let's see what makes the 2026 T-Roc Life interesting. Exterior design. From the outside, the new T-Roc looks much more mature. Volkswagen has kept the familiar coupe-like roofline, but the design is cleaner and more sophisticated. The front features slim LED headlights and an illuminated Volkswagen badge, while available IQ-LED GHT LED matrix headlights add a more premium appearance. The new T-Roc is also about 122 mm longer than its predecessor, giving it a more substantial road presence while creating additional cabin space. Its aerodynamic drag coefficient has also improved to 0.29. Volkswagen Newsroom. The Life trim sits in the middle of the lineup, giving buyers a good balance between equipment and price. It includes features such as body-colored exterior details, roof rails, and a rear-view camera. Overall, it looks like a transmission. Volkswagen Newsroom. The 150 PS version produces 250 Nm of torque and can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in about 8.9 seconds. With a top speed of approximately 212 km/h, Volkswagen Newsroom. The mild hybrid system isn't designed to turn the T-Roc into a full electric SUV. Instead, it helps during acceleration, recovers energy during deceleration, and allows the engine to switch off while coasting. For buyers who want a comfortable, everyday SUV rather than a performance machine, this setup makes a lot of sense. Fuel economy. Efficiency is another strong point. The 116 PS version is rated at roughly 5.6 to 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers, while the 150 PS version is rated around 6.0 to 5.6 liters per 100 kilometers. Side assist, rear traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, and traffic sign recognition. Volkswagen Newsroom. The new T-Roc also earned a 5-star Euro ICAP safety rating under the latest testing procedure. Volkswagen Newsroom. Higher trims and optional packages can add features such as travel assist. It takes everything people liked about the original T-Roc and moves the formula forward with more space, better technology, improved efficiency, and a much more refined interior. For buyers who want a compact SUV that feels more upscale without becoming huge, the T-Roc Life could be one of the most interesting choices in its class for US shoppers. Though, the first question is simple: will Volkswagen offer this exact generation and powertrain lineup in America? Until that is confirmed, treat the European specifications as a guide rather than a guaranteed US configuration. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, subscribe to Smart Car Picks, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next new car review. And tell us in the comments, would you choose the 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc over the Toyota Corolla Cross, Honda HR-V, or Mazda CX-30? Thanks for watching Smart Car Picks, and we'll see you in the next one.